Wait for the twist. Wow, it's a locker. Now we got it. It's not working. Let we check out what is have in the locker. Dirty water. It's going to be so interesting. Let's take it a hot shower. We have to try some tricks to open it. Wow, it works. Let's try some codes. Maybe we have to broke it. We are so excited. Please, give a like for us. This is too hard to broke it. But we'll never give up. Wow, finally it's done. We get a watch. Ow, my godness. It's some cash. It's an iPhone. Wow, it's another phone. Also a mystery box. Let broke this another lock. Now, it's done. We are so happy to find it. Win this mystery box to make a big comment from our comment box. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. OMG, it's a gold coin.